Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today I have my Look Fantastic box. Ooh, let's look fantastic, y'all. So Look Fantastic is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 6 beauty products worth at least $60 and you pay $19 a month. Now if you commit to longer, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, you can get the price down to $16 a month. But if you just want to do month by month, it is $19. Now, if you do want to use my code or my link below, it will give you 20% off of your first order. And that's not just for their subscription box, y'all. That's if you want to order something from the Look Fantastic store as well. So yay for that. Now we're going to look at the box. I went ahead and pulled it out of the cardboard box they shipped it in just so you could see the pretty box. Reusable box. Love that. Love to reuse and repurpose. Happiness starts from within. Oh, look at she pretty. Beauty box edit. Wellness is the way. 6 wonderful new products to discover. And this is their January 2022 box, by the way. Woo, what's in my box? Sneak peeks, y'all. Woo. We're gonna open the box. Ooh, y'all. All right, so there is the 6 products that we got. Where do we want to start? Okay, I see this brand. I know this brand. I use it for face or night masks, actually. So this is the Polaar Eternal Snow Cream, and it is worth $23.76. Youthful Promise Cream. Okay. Not my favorite scent, but not bad. Feels good. Good brand. Like it though. Okay. This I'm a little excited about, y'all. I love this stuff. This is Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from thisworks. I have actually used this many times before. Fall asleep faster, natural wake up refreshed. I do have a lot of issues sleeping, so I do like this stuff. This one is worth $3.87. Of course, you can get it in bigger sizes. Doesn't smell like I remember it. It's been a while since I had it. But it's not bad. It does have a little bit of a musk to it, but really nice. I love this stuff. You're supposed to spray it on your pillow on your bed before you sleep, and it's supposed to help you sleep. Very cool. This is Bloom and Blossom Anti-Aging Hand Cream, worth $8.96. Hands up, age-defying hand cream. Okay. Almost has a little bit of an orange to it, or a citrus. Not bad. Feels good on my hands. Let's hope that they anti-age me. Very cool. All right, next one, something I know and love. This is AHAVA. This is the Dead Sea Water Mineral Conditioner. So this is worth $4.20. So it's a hair conditioner. I don't think I've tried their hair products before, have I? Oh gosh, that smells so good. I love the way the AHAVA stuff smells. Oh my goodness, so good. $4.20. I don't know if I told y'all that or not. Next is Chemist's London Rose Quartz Youth Defense Limp Plumper. And it's worth $60. Woo. Okay. So me and Christine were talking about this the other day about what lip plumper is best. And I have only tried a few, but I'm excited to try this one. Ooh, look at that. Y'all, if you don't know who Christine is, you need to go check out my friend. I will put her on a card and I will link her channel below because she has a good channel too. Must support my buddies. Ooh. Chemically, mentally. Ooh. I'm not going to be able to tell if it's going to sting or not, but I bet you this one has a little tangle to it. Shimmery, pretty rose quartz. $60. Ooh. All right. Last thing in here, this is Lavender Tea Body Wash. Let the feeling of this calm moisture body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extract to soothe your skin and relax your mind. A clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. Bubble Tea Bath and Body is the brand. Bubble Tea Lavender Tea Body Wash, worth $9.29. I know it's hard to see. I gotta smell it. I'm about to go wash my hands after this because I've got shampoo in one spot and bath lotion in another. Not bad. Getting frothy even without water. I kind of like it. Actually, I like it a lot. I can see how that would be relaxing at night. Okay, so one of the things it says down here is you could have gotten a few of the different, there was an option on this one, not an option that I picked, but you could have gotten the mineral shampoo or a black shampoo or a mineral conditioner like I did, or a black conditioner. I don't know what the difference in all that is. They're all worth the same price, $4.20. But what do y'all think about this one? Do you think it was worth the price? I mean, a $60 Limp Plumper? 19 bucks? Body wash is great. The AHAVA conditioner is great. Hand lotion, nice. Eternal Snow, another cream, and then the spray from my pillow that I like. Very cool. Y'all let me know what you think. Tell me how you think Look Fantastic did this month. I want to hear it all. Comment below. While you're down there, I would love it if you press that notification bell so you know when I put out new videos. Like this video. It really does help me in the whole YouTube algorithm thingamabobby hoochie. When you press my like button, subscribe. Please subscribe. It's free. It's free. And don't forget to share with your friends. Share it on social media. Tell word of mouth. Let's get the channel out there. Let's grow. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day and God bless.